that way to put pressure on them to hold mid again. But I don't have timer, so I don't know how close we are.
Oh! Holy shit. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh!
15-year-old Matthew Kent was out for a jog on the evening of June 17th when he discovered something that would change the course of multiple lives. Kent
I'm a Milford man, Michael.
Yeah?
Winner of 1982's release scene on campus.
Oh my god.
I wish I could see the looks on their faces at the
Block
same
file.
time.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Created by Spence.
In Vancouver and in Langley. How can a fully improve your image? How can a first
Come on, bitch!
Bess is taken to a separate house.
Jesus Christ!
happen a lot in the NBA.
Vegas because it's so close.
Right,
And there's
like,
so much trash talking. And I don't mean the players, I mean but the fans.
I don't know too many sports where, because when we see these headlines,
Holy look at, he's doing it. Oh, he's going bigger. He's going bigger, bro. Bro. What a charger. What a charger. This guy's a legend.
やってる人は一応今あれ出たじゃない、オート設定すげえ乗るな。おおやめわー、もうマジかよ、目の前でやるなよ、おいおいおい。とりあえず行こう。
What that looks like right now, 95 northbound, just at a standstill, basically a parking lot due to that accident. 95 northbound at mile marker 74. That's as you're coming into the city, and that's going to be right near the Broad or 7th Street exit there. We're getting reports that the right, the center, and the left lane are blocked, so that's definitely going to cause you a nightmare. Maybe try using Route 1 and the Robert E. Lee Bridge instead. We'll of course have an update on that accident and other road conditions